Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to find category of any YouTube video. So first let's go to a video. Let me search how to monetize your YouTube channel. Let me open any video. Okay, let's open this one. Okay, I want to see which category it belongs to.
वेबसाइट बनाना एक जटिल कार्य है। होस्टिंग न चुनें, अपनी वर्डप्रेस साइट होस्ट
So,
करने का आसान। तो गाइस आखिरकार
so to do this, we have couple of process. First is manual and another is automatic way. In manual, right click and go to view page source. So it will open in a new tab and you will see a lot of code here. So don't worry about this code. Just open, find and search for the keyword category, and you will see here is category, and after colon you will see which category it belongs to. So this one belongs to education. So this is how you find a category of any video in manual way, and the same can be done in a automatic way. To do this, open a website called ytlarge.com. This is the website ytlarge.com, and here you go YouTube data viewer, have exact video URL. So let me copy this video link, and you will see a lot of ad here. So you just close them. Let me paste the video URL and capture, then enter. So it will take few seconds or minutes. Let's wait. This website can give you all the details about the video, like when the video was posted, if the video is monetized, what is the exact category, what are the tags they are using, everything. Yeah, you can see when this was posted, like you can see here. So category is education, here you can see, and everything else is you can see here. So this is how you can find category of any video. I mean, in the manual process, you can also uh, find the published date, like when it was published, 15/6/2024, and you can see 15/6/2024 video published date. Thank you.